Alright, should we do this?
No.
Are you ever gonna say yes?
No.
Hey, it's about 14.6. I really enjoyed it today.
When don't you forget?
Well, I've been coming with one, but so I woke up late today, and then I came to school. I had a hurry.
Woke up late, so we couldn't grab a pen.
Yeah, I was too much in a hurry. Heard the alarm go off. I just turned it off, fell back asleep.
I never ever.
Okay. So, the last thing we did was we figured our adjustment for federal income tax. We determined after we took our income that we owed $40,055.82 for federal income tax. We had saved up throughout the year $40,000. So our adjustment to make sure that we had all of it in there was only $55.82. And we brought those over to the income statement and the balance sheet up top. So now we have a lot of adding to do. A lot. So this is how we're going to do this.
Well, do we have to do the
Boys side, I need you to give me the adjustment column totals.
both of them?
Both of them. They better be the same. Girls, all right, let's go. Caitlin and Melanie, I need you to give me balance sheet debit, and you guys give me balance sheet credit.
Yeah, gotcha.
You guys, and I'll do the income statement. Well, yeah.
Down the right number.
In the heat, we're getting smoked.
I get texts every quarter. It's gonna make me really mad. I just tweeted the wrong last night. Told him what's up. You need fire space.
He did just win an NBA championship last year.
The players did. He didn't have. Get Pat Riley out there.
What did you get? You guys done?
What's the summer? 1,000 what?
Not what I got. I got $284,000, $1.31. What did you get?
Melanie and Caitlin, you got a number?
Yeah, we got the same one. Oh, we got 300. That's what you got? 8,200. Is that what Andrew got?
You guys were doing balance sheet debit?
Yeah.
You got, say it again?
$9,586.
You both got that?
I got the adjustments.
We're gonna finish this and I'm on the phone. I'm ordering those. I got it sitting out ready to go. I'm all over it. I'm all over it.
That's a ding.
You can't ding me.
Man chopping. I don't know, first day of school.
I got the same thing, except I got 34.
Like 140.
What did you get?
$284,000, $1.
You never do,
$284,000, $1.34.
Widen the hole.
You
I got
got
30%.
I just ordered all that signage for the weight room. And
Okay, no, those
Did you
blocks,
PO it?
I didn't. I'm gonna call them and ask them how they want it. Whether they want a PO number, whether we have to fax them something.
Okay.
So I don't even know how they want to pay me yet. And then,
Nudging is the it's basically,
no, it's like man-to-man basketball down the floor.
yeah.
Low
Is
line.
that what you were doing last time?
That's what he was doing to that number 3 last night down the floor.
It's like pushing now. I think it's that strange and has to do.
A lot of signage.
It's alright. It's gonna be great.
Yeah. That way she got the right answer. That's what I got.
I don't believe that both of you got that answer.
Hey, what'd you get?
That's probably what I got.
When's the last time this varsity played Columbus football?
They're 2A.
How about the same answer 3
I
times?
think we won that.
We should be 2A for football.
Is it wrong? You
Yes,
have the right answer?
it's wrong.
That, what?
Pretty good.
Well, it's
deal.
wrong.
Just, what did you get? $263, $1.34. Correct.
Why do I have
We're like separated into the groups.
All right, I'm gonna do the. You know what, girls?
Read this.
You know what you need to do? Let me check.
You can't read this. I see someone's paper, so I can check. Hopefully you can read it because as soon as I got in here, that's what. Oh yeah, I read the letter.
Did you know, Karen's girlfriend had like 20,000 followers on that, and now she's like 100. What?
She's at like 200 and something thousand.
Yeah. She was at 120 at the basketball game. Now she's at 200.
You serious?
Are you following her, Ripple?
No.
I must have just added wrong because I have the same number.
That's Taylor and Chase.
She only had 102?
120.
I can't read
Wow.
what.
She's viral.
What happened?
Wasn't she Miss Alabama?
Didn't.
Oh.
Lesson.
That
This is what I get.
girlfriend.
You had to apologize. You did?
You tell me if this is what you got.
What did you say? I heard something about like.
368, 601, 46.
That's what I got now.
What he said?
That's what you got now?
Did you go apologize to her?
All right. That's so 368.
I like that
801 or 601 46. All right, boys, did we get an adjustment total that's correct?
It's not me, isn't it? Alright, 41,377.22.
Okay. 41,377.22, and that's going to be the same there. 41,377.22.
41,377 left.
22. Sorry. Better? This says no, that says 754. 754, 340, 22. This says 859, 940, 34. Balance sheet is 368, 601, 46. And then credit is 263, 001, 34. And I cheated a little bit, and I did the income statement columns. Now, the income statement columns are easy. Why? Because we already did them. Income statement credit. We didn't change anything from that number, so that is the number. Income statement debit, this was the number. The only thing we did was we added a federal income tax expense. So I took this number plus my federal income tax expense, and I'm done.
Done.
Well,
Is that 62
where?
or 46?
46. Which one can't you read? 368, 601, 46.
Okay, are we done?
No. Okay, now this is where it really comes in. These don't equal, correct? We need to make them equal.
Don't you add them together?
Well, this is the ultimate check. If you know, if this comes out right, you're probably right. If it doesn't, then
We went wrong.
you went way wrong. You need to find out the difference between the income statement debit and credit. What is the difference between those? So we have 859. You guys will tell me, right? What do you get? Like, how much?
20 something.
Do we get a number?
We've had a lot of injuries and stuff.
I did both of them, but I'm off by
Yeah, I was told by him.
Shouldn't it be like the 45,000 minus the 40,000?
It's $105,600.
Okay, 105. What? 600?
Either 22 cents or 12 cents. I don't know. It's 12. 12? Yeah.
12. And the difference between the balance sheet columns is what? The same? Okay, 105, 600.12. Now, if these differences are the same, then you're good. Now, what you've got to do is finish this out. So, which side is short the 105 to make them equal? The debit side here, right? So, I'm going to put it in 105, 600, 12. Which side is short over here? The credit side, right? So 105, 600, 12. Now I'm going to add these up, and that's going to give me 859, 940, 34. 859, 940, 34. 368, 601, 46, 368, 601, 46. Double underline. And then the last thing you have to do is label. What is this 105,612 cents? What is that number?
Is that? Is that our net income
That is your net income.
after federal income?
Net income after federal income tax. And it's just like that. You're done.
So today, tomorrow, work days? Finish all this?
Yeah, I think that's fair. So, the key is, there's a lot of adding. There's a lot of numbers. You've got to write it neatly. You've got to double check your adding. And make sure that you don't get to the end and then have to go all the way back through. When you're extending numbers, make sure you take your time, you extend them to the right columns. This is a bear.
Are you gonna be busy, South?
Probably.
Am I able to come?
Yeah, you can come in here. But you know what, you finish this worksheet, now you've got basically, you know a lot about the company's books right here. Done a lot. A lot of information on this sheet, Merchant.
I think you recorded that. Watching those.
It's good watching. I did some last night.
Has your
Drank
wife,
her, I fell asleep playing Subway Surfers.
has your wife watched any of those?